सीरम लगाने का करेक्ट तरीका होता है, they are the first layer that go onto your skin after your face wash. They should be used before you're moisturizing. Apart from hyaluronic acid, ज़्यादातर serums हम dry skin में ही use करते हैं. Hyaluronic acid is the only serum that we use on damp and moist skin.
How would I know that my serum is working? How long does it take for a serum to actually work?
So the thumb rule is that you give a product.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Clinically Approved. I am Riya Gandhi and today we're decoding serums, the most confusing category in skincare. The serum for dry skin is completely different from the serum for body acne, which is different from serum for pigmentation. So today, Dr. Sarkar, an aesthetics physician with over 15 years of experience, is here with us to break down exactly which active ingredients do that. Dr. Sarkar, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So Dr. Sarkar, let's start with absolute basics. What is a serum and what it actually does to your skin?
A serum is a concentrated skincare product. If I have to define it, I would say it's a concentrated skincare product which contains active ingredients, which can be used to either prevent something that we foresee coming or as a treatable option for any of a targeted solution. So we can have a serum which has targeted ingredients to treat acne. We can have a serum with targeted ingredients to treat open pores. We can have a serum similarly to target dryness or dullness of the skin or even as an anti-aging ingredient.
मतलब सीरम क्यों चाहिए होता है? क्या हम मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकते स्किन केयर रूटीन?
आई मीन कर सकते हैं, बट एक सीरम इन टुडेज टाइम, जो हम एक CTM रूटीन को जानते थे पहले, मे बी 10-15 years back we used to talk about a cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine. But now the focus has shifted. A serum has actually become more important for two reasons. One is, like we said, it has concentrated active ingredients that actually can reverse your a concern, and second is the way it is formulated. It can penetrate deeper into the dermis vis-a-vis a moisturizer which sits on top of your skin. So इसकी जो capacity है वो epidermis में जाते ही वो वहाँ पे work करना शुरू करती है. When an ingredient is made in a serum form, it is more effective. So you can have a moisturizing serum and it will be more effective than just a moisturizer.
Oh, got it. Fair point. What is salicylic acid, an AHA or a BHA?
It's a BHA. It's a beta hydroxy acid. It penetrates deeper and causes more exfoliation, and it's able to work at the level of the oil glands.
Who is salicylic acid for?
Salicylic acid could be a very good ingredient for people suffering from excessive oily skin, very sebaceous skin, with acne, or with keratosis piloris, those little black dots that a lot of people have on their arms and their thighs. So it's very good for them.
So basically strawberry skin guy, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. हम एक काम करते हैं, मैं सीरम का नाम बोलूँगी जो मुझे पता है, and then we'll discuss how it works. So now let's talk about vitamin C, the most common serum out there.
So it is the most powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants का रोल होता है to reverse the oxidative stress और the environmental aggressors के रोल को वो कम करता है. And second is in preventing aging. जो free radicals का effect हमारे tissues और cells पे होता है, उसको prevent करना. So vitamin C is not only a prevention against environmental pollutants, but it is also very important for anti-aging purposes.
Got it. What about mandelic acid?
It is good for oily skin and rough skin.
Glycolic acid.
It's good for dull skin.
A serum for acne prone skin.
Salicylic acid.
Best serum for chest acne.
Salicylic acid.
Now let's talk about niacinamide. It's very common out there. It's used for pigmentation, dull skin. It's basically a powerhouse. It's used for many skin concerns.
It's an excellent serum to start your skin routine with. For someone who is just looking to have an enhanced addition to their normal CTM routine, a niacinamide is a great addition because it works in evening out the skin tone, it works on marks, it works as a hydrative agent.
Okay.
So all in all, it is a B vitamin that is required by the skin and has roles in multiple concerns.
Okay, got it. तो मुझे ये तो पता है अब कि कौन सा सीरम कैसे वर्क करता है और कौन सा स्किन के लिए वर्क करता है. Now let's talk about the application of it. जब मैं सीरम बॉटल लेती हूँ तब मैं दबाती हूँ ड्रॉपर को, मैं पूरा ड्रॉपर ले लेती हूँ उसका. So is it the right application या 2-3 ड्रॉप्स लेनी होती हैं?
सीरम बहुत कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होते हैं, तो एक्चुअली ये डिपेंड करता है कि आप कहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हो. नॉर्मली एक फेस और नेक साइज्ड एरिया में 5 to 6 ड्रॉप्स आर एक्चुअली इनफ. तो सीरम लगाने का करेक्ट तरीका होता है, they are the first layer that go onto your skin after your face wash. They should be used before you're moisturizing. So serums apart from hyaluronic acid, ज़्यादातर serums हम dry skin में ही use करते हैं. Hyaluronic acid is the only serum that we use on damp and moist skin. And the rest of the serums, 5 to 6 drops, are good enough and potent enough to be effective.
How would I know that my serum is working? How long does it take for a serum to actually work?
So the thumb rule is that you give a product 6 weeks minimum for you to judge whether this product is working for you or not. Because this is what is one skin cycle. So not just a serum, every skincare product should be given a minimum period of 6 weeks to show the basic results. However, one big caution here is very important. If you are having any kind of redness, irritation, allergy, or an unpleasant sensation after using any serum or any skincare product, please stop, seek medical advice, or wait and watch for a couple of days before restarting. If that sensation occurs, you have to discontinue it.
Got it, got your point. Dr. Sarkar, thank you so much. The biggest takeaway is match the serum to your skin concern. Dry skin needs hydration, acne needs salicylic acid, pigmentation needs vitamin C or AHAs. Don't layer everything at once. Drop a comment with your skin concern and we'll tell you which serum to try. Thank you for watching. Keep it simple, keep it clinically approved. See you in the next one.